A category that's been added many years ago in kitchen design is refrigeration drawers. And when this category became prevalent is people putting in built-in refrigerators that aren't as deep, that you can add wood panels to, that give a little bit flexibility to a kitchen design, but they don't give you a lot of room. So when the category was developed, the refrigeration and freezer drawers allow for that additional storage that someone may need, whether it be for fruits and vegetables, whether it be for drinks, whether it be for frozen items. You know, you do have some flexibility with refrigerator, freezer, all refrigerator. There's a lot of different options, and you can actually select different widths. This width is a 24-inch wide. They do make, Sub-Zero makes a 27-inch wide, and they also make a 30-inch wide. So there's going to be different width options. So the beauty of refrigeration drawers is being able to put drawers anywhere under counter. So if you want to put them in an island, a prep area, a wet bar area, a bar area, you can even put them, we've put them in bedrooms. We've put them, you know, right off the bedroom, whereas you can utilize this in a morning coffee atmosphere or, you know, whatever type of application. They're very flexible. You can put stainless steel panels on the front. You can customize wood panels to match your cabinetry. A lot of design flexibility. Sub-Zero is the preeminent manufacturer of the drawers. They make the different sizes that I had mentioned. True, another great company, makes the 24-inch drawers, indoor, outdoor. Outdoor I didn't mention. We can do outdoor drawers in some of our manufacturers. And there's some other manufacturers like Genair that does a refrigerator, freezer. So you do have a lot of options when you're looking to add refrigeration drawers. Thank you for watching.